Welcome back. In this session, I will be joining the parts that we cut in the previous video. So watch carefully. The first up is the bodies and how to plait the neck. So this is basically what you should have. Here. So inside, outside, inside up, about it, and in. It's always a better way to use pins, but I'm not so used to using pins, so I basically do without pins. Alright, this is what you should have, and should look like this when you complete the pleating. That's the outside part of it, and that's the inside. You can do the same with the other side of the body. Now also of the arm. So this is for the arm. We'll also do the same as we did for the bodies. So we'll pleat. This one is the part where we said we'll put the rubber or the armhole is, and this is where we will connect it to the bodies, and it forms the neck. So this is how it should look like. This one connects to the pleating of the neck and it forms the neck part. This one is where the armhole is. So for the rubber we should do about an inch fold, another fold, so you get a free space inside where you will stick your rubber in. Alright, it's always good practice to use pins, like I will say, but I'm not so used to using pins, so I'm basically just sewing it without pins. I've been doing this for a while, so I'm getting used to it. So each time you sew, the inside is always facing up. I don't know, you may have your own ways of doing it, but that's how I do it. Okay, so this is ready to go to the main bodies for attachment sewing, and the final outcome will be a Meri blouse, very nice colorful Meri blouse. So that's what you should have here. This, with the single promise, you get the choice of stitch pattern, so I decided to use this one. It's more or less like decoration, so it's nice to have your Meri blouse decorated. You do the same with the other one, and then you're gonna attach it to the main bodies. So this is about it for this video. In the next video I will attach everything together.